Hello, my name is Teresa Boyle, and I am your local Gold Canyon real estate agent. I just wanted to provide you with a quick market report on what's going on in the real estate market. So, looking at our lovely city of Gold Canyon, Arizona, we see that the average home price is just under half a million at $481,949. And this is the average home value, not necessarily list price of what's on the market. And we see that this is up about 4% year over year of where we were last year. And so home values are still increasing, just not at the same rate as they were in 2020 and 2021. Now, looking at the number of listings, we see that the active listings steadily increased last year, but that has tapered off a bit at the beginning of this year. And in addition, the sold listings, which is here in black, have gone up. And so the gap between what's active and what's selling is closing a little bit. The listing prices have maintained relatively constant, right around that 500K mark for the median list price, although we're seeing that the sold list price has gone down very slightly. Now, looking at the sold to list ratio, which that is how much a house is listed for versus how much it's sold for, we saw at the beginning of last year homes going for over 100% or over asking price, and that has steadily come down a bit. And right now, on average, homes are going for about 93% of what they were originally listed for. And this is not uncommon to see as the market cools down a little bit and balances out from the really hot sellers market that we had over the last couple of years. And then also looking at days on market, this overall has trended up over the past year, although we are starting to see a decline at the beginning of this year for how long something is sitting on the market. And zooming out and taking a look at the market as a whole, we still see that demand for houses is relatively low, about 81.9%. Which if it's under 100, that means that there's weaker demand, and this is due in part to the higher mortgage rates. But then looking at the supply index, which is how many homes are on the market, that also is low, and that is lower, in fact, than the demand, which means that the overall market index sits at 126, and anything over 100 means that it's a seller's market, or the market is in favor of the sellers. So because there is such low supply right now, and we see that the market index is only increasing, it is likely that we will stay in a seller's market over the next few months. If you are interested in knowing what your home is worth, you can contact me at tbsellsaz@gmail.com for a free report. And if this video was helpful for you and you'd like to see more, please leave a comment. Thank you.